North Trail RV Center, South Florida's largest RV dealer, presents stock number 7521 in Fort Myers, a 2014 Airstream Interstate Lounge EXT. Founded in 1931, Airstream is truly an American icon. With a sterling reputation built on a foundation of unique designs, futuristic innovations, and dependable durability, Airstream has been inspiring adventures for over 80 years. Receiving best in class for design, quality, innovation, craftsmanship, safety features, chassis upgrades, premium features, and integrated systems, the Airstream Interstate arrives as the #1 touring coach model in the U.S. for a reason. They listen intently and then create the incredible. For more information about stock number 7521, please contact a North Trail RV sales associate at 1-888-819-9973. Or stop by and test drive this interstate at our Fort Myers location on I-75 at exit 141. In Fort Lauderdale, we're located on I-95 at exit 23 Griffin Road. Our full-service dealerships offer over $50 million in inventory on-site and over $2 million in parts and accessories. Order online anytime or preview South Florida's largest inventory at www.northtrailrv.com. Then like our Facebook page to stay in the loop on all the latest information at North Trail RV Center.